Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, we talked about a bug that affects Windows and the extra storage that that bug creates. Now, somebody asked me if there was an easy way to see if that bug was there on their PC. So, first of all, remember that if you've installed the preview update for the month of June, that is fixed. So, if you installed it, it should be normal. Storage should be at its normal level. But apparently, some people have the extra storage taken by that bug up to 500 gigabytes of space on some cases. So if you want to see if you have not installed the latest update, if your computer has that bug, simply go to your settings app, go into system, and go into storage. Now, you have the basic storage folders that are showing up, but you also have show more categories, and you're going to click there. When you show more categories, you will see something called system and reserved. So I am right now using about 43.8 gigabytes of space for system and reserved, which is the system files that help Windows run properly. That is kind of a normal amount. It could be a little higher, a little lower, but some of you, if you have not installed the latest update, might notice that this is 100 gigabytes, 150, 200. Like I said, some people have reported that their system and reserved was 500 gigabytes. So if you've been looking at the storage on your hard drive and been thinking, this is kind of weird, I'm kind of using way more storage than I should with what I'm doing, even though, maybe you did downloads and so on, do go and check the system and reserved here. And if you haven't installed the preview update, you will have that fix next week with the Patch Tuesday update that will arrive on July the 14th for everyone. And of course, that will include the preview update fixes. So that means that you will have the updates, the fix for this problem on the system and reserved. If you enjoy my video, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.